There's a whole... Oh wow, that's a good bunch. Wow. I'm a carrot farmer, guys. I'm about to get to it. I got my gloves. Cardboard. I only like to use the big cardboard. Take all the tape off. But I've got some places for this cardboard today. I am harvesting these carrots, and I discovered something that I need, which is this little carrot fork is what I'm calling it, because a lot of times I was weeding through here and I pulled accidentally some of the tops because they were really thick, or I was thinning or whatnot. Anyway, there's a lot of carrots that don't have tops that you're gonna miss if you just pull. So I'll show you. It's really cool. Sorry about my finger. Alright, so I'll try to show you what I'm doing. So here's the carrots that I've gotten, various sizes, but they'll all eat. So I don't discriminate my plants by size at all. Like, I actually like the smaller ones. So let's just check it out. So if I just pull, I got like nothing. Okay, here's some more. Let's just pull and see what happens. Even though it's rained for a couple days, we've gotten a bit of rain. There's an onion. I'm not getting a lot on the bottom. So let's get our little carrot fork. The ground's still fairly hard right here. There's a couple that I would have missed that actually have some body to them. There's another one. So I really, oh no, a dog. The dog like, oh, we're digging? Is it time to dig? So anyway, oh, look at all those. No, no, no. Charlie, it's not a game. Stop. No, Charlie. Sit. Sit. There's some more carrots. Do you want a carrot? Or you just want to dig? Just get... So yeah, when I harvest from the top, they're actually snapping. That might be because they're dry, but there they are. Look at all those. Oh, carrots are so cool. I tried to get my daughter to come out, but she's like, no way. So I've got a pretty decent row here of carrots. I haven't always been successful with carrots at all. And you know, it's hard to get loose enough soil deep enough to have good carrots, but this was a place where I hilled up really high and planted potatoes, so it really added a lot of depth to the soil. There's one. Carrots are one of my favorite harvest videos to watch. So let's do this. Let's, like right here, it looks like there's nothing, right? Here's one carrot plant. Carrot top. There's the carrot. Oh, I broke it. Classic. There's a bunch in there. Look at that. Obviously a little too thickly sown, but again, those will eat. Let's come through here and see if there's any. Yeah, whoa. See, those had no tops, so I would not have... They must have stopped growing when I pulled the tops probably, but still, there they are. Look, okay, right here there's nothing. Let's see if we can find some. Yep, I see some. There's one. So it looked like there was nothing right there. There's a bunch of carrots. Look at all those. It's so fun. Oh, there's another onion that I tried to grow. So yeah, I'm going to continue with this with 2 hands instead of 1, but I thought that was really neat. Here's a whole... Oh wow, that's a good bunch. Wow. I'm a carrot farmer, guys. It's pretty neato Frito. I love juicing carrots. Carrots and oranges, because I worked at Jamba Juice and I love that smell. Alright, so let's check out what I got for carrots. I'm pretty stoked. So, as I'm taking them out, I'm covering the space with cardboard. And I'm just kind of, when I pull them, I just lay them down. Pile, pile, pile. These ones down here are a little smaller. and then a pile here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 piles of carrots. A lesson that I've learned is I will plant them further apart because I just plant them really thick and then I was gonna just thin them, but it's hard to thin carrots. So yeah, that's what I learned. Let's check them out. I'm gonna wash them, and this is pretty cool. Right, so I've got my bucket of carrots, rinsed them off in the garden so I could put it all back in the garden, all the dirt, and now I'm going to see how many we get. Alright, so these are the carrots. I'm gonna wash them one more time. If you were going to store them, you wouldn't wash them, but it's way too hot here to store carrots. I don't have anywhere to put them and keep them really. So we're gonna use them. We're gonna eat them. We're gonna make carrot souffle tonight, and I'm gonna juice some probably today because that's yummy. And my experiment with growing onions inside the carrots didn't work out because the carrots shaded out the onions so they couldn't bulb up big. So those are these. We'll eat those soon because they're kind of wet too. But I'm gonna give these another rinse off in the cooler, and yeah, and then we'll eat them tonight. And then you can see through here, laid down the cardboard, ran out, but that'll let that rest and it'll be ready in a month and a half or so. I can plant something else there. But just so no weeds come up, so the worms are happy under there. And I should actually put these carrot tops underneath for the worms to eat. But it's hot, so I'm about to go inside. Yes, beautiful day. Thanks again for watching.